today my freaking friends are on a call and they're screaming for some reason. But I'm going to be playing Beast Worm because I just feel like it. This is my alt account also. Oh, let's go. Alright, we're making honey, guys. We are making money in my honey. Donnie. I need gumdrops so I can get gummy bee. Who the frick just fired that cannon? Is it coming here? Guys, I'm gonna buy some gumdrops and see how freaking stupidly expensive this scam game is. Because I've been playing this for 5 days. And that's why my uploading sucks. 300, bruh. 300 gumdrops for 100 tickets is a scam. For 100 tickets. Hi, Rhino Beetles. Dude, guys, I got 2 mythics. That means I'm goated with the... Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Go. Okay, my guys. My goal is to get the red backpack. Because my backpack storage technically sucks. It can, like, fill up in 5 minutes. So I'm going to go, like, go Power Rangers. Boom, 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 boom. All right, now I'm going to skip to, like, that. So editing is cool, guys. So 3, 2, 1. And like that, editing is cool. All right, let's just go and buy this thing. All right, let's buy my honey pot. Oh, hive. Oh yeah, I'm looking good. Looking real good. Alright. Well, guys, I did what I needed to do. So, goodbye. Like, subscribe, and if you don't, this guy will hunt you. Bye-bye.